Good morning and welcome to our second day here at Blarney Caravan and Camping site. Today started a bit misty, but it's clearing up nicely again now. So today we're going to go towards KINSALE, have a look around that area. So if you want to join us, carry on and watch this video and we'll see you when we get to KINSALE. Right, we've arrived at KINSALE. Just looking over harbour. Load of parking bays here. Town centre's very busy. It's pay and display, so we'll find out how much it costs when Karen gets back. Till 1?
1 o'clock.
How much is it? €3.
€3 for
2 hours. Yeah, €1.50. €1.50 an hour. So we'll go and explore KINSALE. There's some kayaking going off. Perryville House. So Charles's fort's down that way anyway where we're going. Yeah. Certainly plenty of crows, and wherever you go there's crows. It's big enough harbour though, isn't it, down there? Yeah, bigger than I thought it'd be. So your tourist information's there. Certainly a busy place. Well, it must be a through road because there's enough traffic on it. Acton's Hotel. Maston rigging. Going out kayaking. Yes, it's a very fishy smell. It's a very, 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 very busy place. Oh, posh. Like do a bit of line fishing. We'll explore what's round the corner. We'll come to the back streets. It's a bit quieter. There's a lot of passing through traffic, you see, isn't there, as well? Can't believe it, just one road back and it's like a different place. Some lovely little buildings here though. Bruno's Italian Eatery. Certainly narrow streets. Tour going off behind us, isn't there?
Yeah.
A few tales will be told there on that that tour guide. Tell you what, for some of these big cars now, these roads are a bit narrow, aren't they, when they've got cars parked on them? Yeah. Yeah. Granny's bottom drawer. Look in.
Oh yeah, because we came down there.
That's back to Harbour, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're very tight roads. You'd not get Arctics through here, would you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that enough to take you through here with Caravan.
Behind until the midget and put more to over. Yeah.
I'm certainly glad we found that parking space down by Harbour Wall.
Whatever you do. Yeah.
Just explore down that bit and then little narrow way down there. Weavers of Ireland. It's got a trespass. So they're certainly colourful buildings.
Yeah, they look like
Yeah. Quaint little shops. Oh, quirky shops. There's a museum up there, Spart. There's a wine museum. Yeah. Welding and metal worker. Hear him working away in his yard. Souped up Morris Minor. It's only small. Very compact centre. Yeah, with a big harbour. A big natural harbour, as we heard the tour guide say.
Yeah.
Second biggest.
I think that is that Cork.
Yeah, I think it's Cork. Walk down this one. Not been down this one. Well, you ain't got far to go to a pub, have you?
No.
From that house, straight across the road. Must be a nightmare when it's like a tourist area trying to park your car.
Yeah. It's got to
If you're a resident.
yeah. Well, you know that from where you were brought up.
Yeah. See what this big building is up here. Looks a little bit fortified, doesn't it? Yes, it's certainly oldie worldy. So that was Desmond Castle. Be quiet, crows. Which is now at Wine Museum, which is closed. So that's Desmond Castle. Go back down again. Yeah, you don't want to be driving around these streets any more than what you have to. So that's a quick circuit. We've gone round there, back round, back down again. Back to KINSALE pharmacy. So you got all these at bars.
Yeah.
So there's probably some cafe down here. So it was a walled town at one point. Yes, it's certainly a busy little town, isn't it? Yeah. Yes, it's certainly a busy road through. Quite florist. Yeah. You're certainly quicker walking than driving, aren't you? We keep walking past this Garda police car. Yes, it's a bit of a manic junction, that one. Like I say, it's alright going in and going out. Right, so that's KINSALE. We'll walk around there, find somewhere else to go now. I think there's a few ruined boats over there. Yeah. I don't think some of them seaworthy. So that's us walk around KINSALE. We'll find somewhere else to go now. There's a couple of forts here, Fort Charles and Fort George, I think, so we'll have a look and see where we're going to go. If not, we'll go further down coast. Nice little place, but a very busy place. It is a Saturday though.